Doué tries to kill. Oh, what a goal! Oh my word! This teenager is sensational.
Alvarez banks one beautifully. Fabulous from Julian Alvarez.
Koundé running into Lamine Yamal, but he's kept his composure, kept the ball. Now he sets off and skips away from Mkhitaryan. Oh, that's brilliant! That is brilliant! It's Rice again! Oh! My goodness! Incredible!
Monaco not giving Red Star the opportunity to close them down.
Oh, what a goal! It's a stunner from Singo.